Want to try making your own AI-generated videos, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the AI Video app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the AI Video Generator, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in AI Video in the search bar. Tap AI Video Generator when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using AI Video Generator. That's all it takes to download the AI Video app. Want to try out other popular AI apps? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.